You see it almost every day. Cars with scratches all over the doors, bumpers, and even the hood. And most owners either ignore them or try random viral hacks that only make things worse. What's surprising is that studies in the detailing industry show nearly 70% of scratch repairs done by car owners actually reduce the paint quality instead of improving it. And here's the truth. Modern car paint is extremely thin, especially on brands like Toyota and Honda. So one aggressive mistake can permanently damage your clear coat. But in Japan, things are done very differently. Instead of quick fixes, professional detailers follow a step-by-step precision approach that focuses on restoring the paint, not destroying it. In this video, you're going to learn the exact Japanese methods to remove scratches properly, how to actually perform each step like a pro, and most importantly, how to avoid the mistakes that make scratches look even worse than before. Let's get started. Step 1. The Layer Awareness Technique. Before touching any scratch, Japanese detailers always diagnose it properly, because fixing the wrong way can turn a minor issue into permanent damage. Start by washing the area thoroughly using car shampoo and a microfiber cloth to remove dirt that could hide the true depth of the scratch. Once clean, dry the surface and perform the fingernail test. Gently run your nail across the scratch. If your nail doesn't catch, it is only in the clear coat and can be polished out safely. But if it catches slightly, it may need more advanced correction, like wet sanding. Japanese professionals often use bright LED lights or sunlight at an angle to clearly see the scratch depth, which most drivers ignore. This step alone prevents over-polishing, which can thin out your clear coat permanently. Studies show that nearly 60% of paint damage during DIY repairs happens because people skip proper inspection. Taking just 2 to 3 extra minutes here can save your paint from irreversible damage and keep that original factory finish intact. Step 2. Ultrafine compound polishing. Once you confirm the scratch is light, the Japanese approach is to polish, instead aggressively remove material. Start by applying a small amount of ultrafine polishing compound onto a microfiber applicator pad or a dual-action polisher. Work on a small section, about 1 square foot, to maintain control and consistency. Use light pressure and move in overlapping circular or crosshatch motions to evenly level the clear coat. The goal is gradual correction, not instant results, which is why Japanese detailers repeat the process in multiple light passes. Wipe off the residue with a clean microfiber towel and inspect under good lighting before repeating. This method is inspired by the precision polishing used in crafting a katana, where perfection is achieved through patience. Avoid cheap, aggressive compounds, as they can create swirl marks, something that happens in over 40% of improper DIY polishing attempts. After 2 to 3 passes, you will notice the scratch fading and the paint regaining its deep gloss. Step 3. The Water Sanding Precision Method. For deeper scratches that slightly catch your fingernail, Japanese professionals carefully use wet sanding, but only with the right technique. Start by soaking 2,000 to 3,000 grit sandpaper in water for at least 10 to 15 minutes to soften it. Spray the scratched area with water to create lubrication and reduce heat buildup. Wrap the sandpaper around a soft sanding block and gently sand only the scratched area using light, even strokes. Never apply heavy pressure, as this can burn through the clear coat quickly. After a few passes, wipe the area dry and check your progress. You will notice the scratch becoming less visible, but the area may look slightly dull. That's completely normal. The next step is to polish the area using a fine compound to restore clarity and shine. Japanese technicians emphasize patience here, often taking several minutes just to correct a small section. When done correctly, this method can restore up to 90% of visible scratches without repainting. However, rushing or using the wrong grit can permanently damage your paint, so control is everything. Step 4. Touch-up paint with layer blending. If the scratch has gone through the clear coat into the base paint, polishing alone won't fix it. And this is where Japanese touch-up techniques come in. First, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any wax or residue. Then, use a fine tip applicator or toothpick to apply a very thin layer of matching touch-up paint directly into the scratch. Let it dry completely before applying the next layer. This step is crucial to avoid uneven buildup. Repeat this process until the paint level matches the surrounding surface. Once fully cured, lightly sand the area with ultrafine sandpaper to level it, followed by polishing to blend it seamlessly. This method is commonly used in high-end detailing environments, working on vehicles like Lexus, where even the smallest imperfection is unacceptable. The goal is not just to fill the scratch, but to make it invisible from every angle. Done correctly, even under direct sunlight, the repair becomes nearly impossible to detect. Step 5. Protective coating. After removing the scratch, Japanese detailing always finishes with protection, because leaving the paint exposed makes it vulnerable again. Start by applying a high-quality wax or ceramic coating using a foam applicator pad. Spread it evenly across the surface in thin layers, allowing it to bond properly with the paint. Let it cure as per the product instructions, then buff it off with a clean microfiber towel to reveal a deep, glossy finish. This coating acts as a barrier against minor scratches, UV rays, and environmental contaminants. Japanese car owners also follow strict washing methods, like the 2-bucket technique, to avoid reintroducing swirl marks. Studies show that protective coatings can reduce minor scratch formation by up to 50% over time. This is why cars maintained with these methods continue to look newer for years. The philosophy is simple. Once you fix it, protect it so you don't have to fix it again. Mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1. Skipping proper cleaning. One of the biggest mistakes is skipping proper cleaning before starting. If you try to polish or sand a dirty surface, you're basically rubbing dust and debris into the paint, creating micro scratches that can make the damage worse than before. Mistake number 2. Using aggressive rubbing compounds. Another common mistake is using aggressive rubbing compounds on light scratches. Most people think stronger means better, but in reality, harsh compounds remove too much clear coat too quickly, leaving dull patches and swirl marks that are very hard to fix later. Mistake number 3. Using low-grit sandpaper. Wet sanding is where most DIY attempts go wrong. Using low-grit sandpaper like 800 or 1000, or applying too much pressure, can instantly burn through the clear coat. Japanese methods strictly use ultra-fine grit like 2000 to 3000, with very light, controlled movements. That's all for this video. Most drivers either ignore scratches or use aggressive methods that slowly destroy their car's paint. But these Japanese techniques focus on precision, patience, and long-term results. Exactly why their cars always look cleaner and newer than others on the road. So next time you see a scratch on your car, don't panic. Fix it the smart way. And here's a question for you. Have you ever tried removing a scratch yourself? And did it actually work or make things worse? Let me know in the comments.